What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at the secret auction location to check out some cars today. Let's jump into this with number one on my list. It's a 2001 Jaguar S Type with the 4.0 V8. Again, I spent a lot of time watching the auction yesterday and very little time actually bidding. I only bid on a few cars and I didn't actually win anything. But I saw this. It's a green light, which means it should be a run and drive, ready to go. The paint is a little iffy. It's got bumps and bruises, dents and dings all over, but it went for $2,500. $2,500 in today's market, and it runs and drives, sold on a green light. Are you kidding me? In my opinion, that's a steal in today's market. Not too bad looking. It's been repainted and the paint work is not great, but still a running and driving V8 Jaguar. I don't remember the miles. I think 120. It's got 120,000 miles on the odometer for $2,500. Let's see if we can get the key over here and in the ignition. Okay, maybe we can't. Maybe we can. Someone pushed the steering wheel in on us. There we go. Let's see if we can get this out here. Let's see if she'll run. Listen to that. AC just came on. I wonder if it works. Are there any warning lights? We have a check engine light. Looks like a traction light, an ABS light, DSC fault, boot open, low fuel. Oh, that AC is cold though. It is. All right, she's got some problems. She's not perfect. But damn, man, $2,500? I still think great deal. You got your J gate right here. Right into reverse. And right into drive. Very nice. And that AC feels great. Important window, of course. Are you kidding me? Wow. That's impressive. That is impressive. I should have bid on this. I really should have. I was watching and I was like, $2,500, man. Dang. I knew I should have probably thrown a bid in on it, but I didn't. So, you know, you snooze, you lose. I don't know where the hood release is on this, to be quite honest with you, and I don't think I really feel like fighting with it to open the hood. It's just another example of a relatively cheap car in today's market where it's next to impossible to find them. If you just spend the time, I tell you guys this all the time, it doesn't really matter what auction you go to. If you take the time to really go through the auctions and look at every single car running through the list, this is what I do. I'm going to give you my little secret here. Every single car that runs through any of the auctions that I go to, I look at all of them on the computer. I put them all on my watch list that I think are worth looking at. Then I go back through the watch list and I check them out a little closer, look at the pictures a little closer. I remove the ones that aren't needed. The rest of them, I go out to the auction. I put hands on them myself. I look at them in person and check the ones off the list that don't meet my criteria. And you got to admit, I don't have high standards. Okay, so then you know what you're looking at, what you should spend, and those are the cars you can bid on. But you really have to go and look at them for yourself. All right, that's it for the Jag. Let's move on to the next one. Next on my list, a Ram Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah. A TRX, baby. She's got a little bit of damage. Some of the stuff is hard to see from the pictures. I don't even know exactly what year it is. This it's been rode hard, put away wet for sure. But it's still a TRX, which means it's still worth money. 5 of 21. So this is a 21 TRX. Of course, supercharged. Oh man, it's basically my truck. This is basically the truck I already have with a supercharged engine. Oh, and launch control. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, man. Okay. This is nice. This is real nice. You got the Harman Kardon stereo system. You got the red stitching all over the place. Red accents everywhere. You got the actual shift handle instead of the weird knob that honestly I can't stand. Let's see if we can find, where are the drive modes? I don't even see them. You think those would be all on their own? There should be an independent button. There's your auxiliary lights. I've never been in one of these, so forgive me for not knowing where everything is right off the bat. But you would think drive modes would be like right here, easy to get to. I don't see it. Huh, okay. Travel, driver's vent, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't see drive modes anywhere. Performance pages, no? Maybe, no, that's not it either. Okay, I'm already fed up with it. If I can't find where the damn full power mode is, then I don't want it. This thing went for, I think, like 75 yesterday. 75 grand. You can't buy one of these for $75,000. Now, it may not have sold, so it's hard to say. It's got 24,000, 25,000 miles on the odometer. Let's pop the hood, because there is some damage that I want to go over with you guys. I'll show it to you, but first you just got to see that Hellcat engine, right? Just got to see it. Oh wait, you can't see it because they put a giant plastic cover over it. That's right, I forgot about that. You can kind of see it down there. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's not a bad looking truck. It's got some aftermarkets on it. Obviously this front bumper and that big light bar is not factory. There is some damage right here to this fender. That sucks, man. Something hit the hood and just destroyed the fender right there. That fiberglass is shot. This could probably be fixed, though. I guarantee you, somebody good with body work could fix that. Is there damage back here? No. It's also got this, I don't know what you call this. Like, it's almost like a headache rack of some sort. It's got, oh yes, sponsored by Decked. You got the Decked drawer system, which is totally off. Ooh, well, okay. That one in particular is having a little issues. Listen to her purr, though. Rear bumper, aftermarket as well. Bed rug, bed liner. She's got nice tires. Really, for the most part, she looks pretty good, guys. There's a little bit of damage right here. I don't know how well that comes out, if you can see it, but there's definitely a ding right there. The little running boards, rock sliders, there's damage here too that's real hard to see, but you know, little things that you'd expect from a truck that somebody probably took out and just had the time of their life in. Little damage to this bumper right here too, just paint. The bumper itself is fine. Tires look good. I'll be honest with you guys, I'd buy it. If you go to a dealer to get this truck right now, I guarantee you they're going to be asking. I mean, I paid 80 for my truck, somewhere around there, 75 or 80 for my truck. So I'm certain this one would be sitting around 90, 95. I'm certain. You got your paddle shifters. Man, this thing is really nice. I just wish that I knew where the performance modes are. Oh, right here. There it is. Maybe snow, tow, sport. No. Baja, rock climbing, mud, sand. Okay, so those are your traction modes. I just don't see anything relating to sport modes. Comment below. Maybe I'm missing. I mean, I'm looking everywhere trying to find it, and I see absolutely nothing relating to track. Drive modes. Hold on. Boom! I found it. I found it. Yes. Sport mode. Oh. Oh, yes. There it is. So they buried it, I guess. That's weird. Okay. Race options. Ooh. Ooh. Don't do it, man. Let's rip it around the parking lot here. What do you guys think? No. Man. Don't do it, Randy. We don't need this on the channel. We don't. We don't need this on the channel. I got enough toys without another one. But damn it. Tell me it's not tempting. Tell me it's not tempting. It's got a little bit of damage already, which I think is great, man. A little bit of damage. Ooh, I didn't see this, but it's got more damage right there, too. It's cracked here as well. Big crack going down there. That fender's in bad shape. But aside from that, you can't beat it for the price. You really can't. All right, guys, that's it for the T-Rex. Let's move on to the next one. All right, last on my list, I believe this is a 2020 Cadillac XT6. It does make me wonder, why do some vehicles from dealerships end up here? Like, this is a new SUV, right? It's a 2020. This is a new vehicle. It probably doesn't have many miles on it at all. The body looks phenomenal. I'm sure the interior does as well. And Bob Moore sells Cadillacs. So why would a Cadillac dealer send one of their own cars to auction instead of selling it retail on the lot? If you have the answer to that, please comment below, because it's something that's really had me wondering. You see a lot of big dealerships that send their cars here. So yeah, it doesn't make any sense to me. This thing runs great. You can look at the gauges there. There's nothing. There's no warning lights at all. It's got 30,000 miles on the odometer. Air conditioning, of course, is ice cold. This is a good-looking vehicle. Doesn't smell funny. It's a little bejeweled down there, but that's okay. That's something you could take care of. Of course, the windows, everything's going to work on this, guys. I don't know what engine it's got in it. We're going to find that out here in just a second if I can find the hood release. There it is. Take a look at this interior, though. This is a nice SUV. Honestly, I love it. I love it. I just don't understand why a dealer that specializes in selling this brand would decide to send it to auction where they're obviously going to get bottom dollar. It's an auto auction. Everybody here is trying to make a profit. So, wait a minute. Tell me if you see something that looks different. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit here. I'm looking at this strut tower right here, all right? And the fender apron, it's black. The strut tower is black. All right, everything looks pretty good so far, but then you get over here, and suddenly we have a white strut tower. Why is that? Why would it be white on one side and black on the other? Is it possible this thing's been in some kind of severe collision? Take a look at this as well. There's black spray paint. I don't know if you guys can even see it, but there is black overspray, and it's all over the fender too. It's all through here, and it's all over. There are speckles all over here. I think she's been wrecked. It's also over here as well, though. Okay. All right, I think we're seeing a clearer picture now. Maybe somebody traded it in. It had been wrecked, some kind of damage, and the dealership is like, we don't want any part of this. You know, we'll take it as a trade-in or something, but we're not going to resell this on our lot. You know, they'll send it to auction and let somebody else sell it. I'll bet that's what happened. Back up. Yep, goes right into gear. Drive. And no issue. Park. Absolutely. Huh. Well, I'll tell you what. They did a good job. They did. for the most part. They did a good job of putting it back together. It doesn't look bad at all. The lines really, they don't look bad. Going down the hood, everything up front lines up and looks like it should. If you didn't see that overspray, I don't think you'd ever know. Truthfully, I don't think you'd ever know. I'm going to see if I can zoom you guys in just a tad here and see if we can show you. Yeah, it's all blurry now. Can you see the splotches all over that? Like, really? Huh. Okay, well guys, that was the last one on the list. We're done. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. I would truly appreciate it. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.